है चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है, तो क्लिक कीजिए मिसिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। दिस इज द रॉ सिल्क फैब्रिक ऑफ द कुर्ती and the materials I'm gonna use is golden color mirror rings and the golden beads of small size, cotton silk thread with the stitching or the hemming needle. This is the 0 size needle. Firstly, using the fabric glue, I'd stick these golden mirror frames and let it dry for some time. All around these mirror frames, I'd be marking the flower shape like this. It's a freehand pattern. Actually, this is the pattern of Aari or the Maggam work pattern. Using that needle we'll stitch, but now I'll show you using the normal stitching needle or the hemming needle we can also create these patterns easily. So firstly, I'll stitch these golden beads on the marked design shape. First we have to create the outline of these petals. Now done with the outer line of the petal shape, now I'll fill accordingly the inner side. And with the normal stitching needle we can create these patterns very easily, isn't it? Like this we'll fill the petals with the golden beads to complete this flower shape. And randomly